Hello viewers, welcome to Krishna's Karai channel. Today my new recipe Birista Birayani in microwave. It is very tasty and awesome. So let's start cooking. For 2 person I have taken 1 cup basmati rice soaked for half an hour. Take a microwave safe bowl and I am going to add 1 teaspoon refined oil, 1 chopped onion, 1 bay leaf, 2 dry red chilli, 2 cloves, 2 green cardamom, half teaspoon haldi powder, 1 teaspoon kashmiri red chilli powder, 1 tablespoon ginger, garlic and green chilli paste. Mix it properly. Now add 1 bowl grated beetroot. Microwave for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, take out from the oven. Now you can see it is done. Wash the rice properly, drain the water and add 1 teaspoon oil. Mix it well. If you add oil in the rice will not stick to each other. Now I am going to add rice in this bowl. Mix it properly. Add salt as needed. Now I am going to add enough water. If you take 1 cup rice, then add half cup water. In grinder there was a masala, so I have added water and pour to the bowl. Now mix it properly. Add chopped coriander leaves. Now keep in a oven for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, check it if it is done. Now you can see the rice is cooked properly. Now add birista on the top of the biryani. Now it is ready to serve. Enjoy with raita. If viewers like my recipe, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press icon bell. Thanks for watching my cooking videos. Till then, take care and bye.